Good morning from the beautiful city of Eindhoven. It's Kingsday today, okay? We in ancient grammar, as they used to say before. That's the PSV stadium in the back, can't see that. But we gonna go around the city and check out everything that's going on right here. So peep close. And that right there, my friends, one of my favorite spots, cause you got like the stripe as how you call it in Dutch. Now you see they got their own streets and shit out here, man. Little bit of art going on in the ancient grammar, and that, my friends, is where all the stuff happens around here. Like you got that part over there, it's a venue for festivals and all that shit, and up there you can like chill, a little drink, little food stuff, you know, all of them little boutiques around here. Got some like a lot of creative stuff happening out here, so let's take a deeper look. I'm still waiting to get up in that what I'm shocked, you know, I blocked, so I'm still waiting for a space up in that thing right there, but they didn't choose me yet. I think, you know, some discrimination going on, but enough about that. And maybe you're thinking like, where's all the crazy stuff, right? You're used to see Dutchies, orange and all of that, full of orange, like cities full of orange, and a cool chair up there, but I don't know, we gotta find them. They're hidden somewhere, so let's go. Y'all gotta forgive me because I was too late to get something orange on me, but I'm gonna solve that. Let's try to get something orange upon me. You hear the beat? That's where it's coming from. We got troops ready over there. Please respect the troops. See, they all getting ready for that party. That looks pretty cozy, right? Man, this is such a classic shot. Like, that's the klokgebouw in the back, so I can have like my cool thumbnail and stuff out here. But it seems that it's way too early right now for anything going on. It's like, I think they're building up and stuff, so I'm going to try and check the perimeters, you know, like check around town, maybe get a bike and all of that, and then after that we probably gonna get into the party and stuff. Still got to get a shirt, so peep with me. I like what they did with the boom boxes. God bless the cheap croissants of the Netherlands, man. $1 a piece. So let me tell you what I'm doing while I'm walking. I found a lot of things on the street, but I found this like marketplace, like in the middle of homes and all of that in Eindhoven. I don't know where it is. I'm just trying to walk there, trying to find it out. Just asked some folks, they didn't know where it is, so that's where I'm heading right now. I think I found the first busy place out here. I think it's that one I found last year. Okay, so we about to enter that busy part right there. Well, it is pretty busy out here, like you notice all around. Man, it's freaking busy out here, man. Getting pretty orange around here, man. I could probably get some shirts up there. Not sure. Try it out. Seems like it's getting busy up there. Holy fucking shit, man. For now, I ain't trying to get up there, man. That's way too busy. That's just a little bit too much for me, man. Again, way too busy, man. We're gonna proceed up that way. Let's check out this part, and after that, I know like a quiet place we can get at. It's right across. I got no clue where this is going, but is that a park? This is like a hidden entrance, man, with a lot of booze. And there's a private party and stuff out there. I never been here before. That's so cool, man. Found a new spot. Like shortcuts and stuff. Parties and stuff. Got some clues Rams. But they got a cool Spider-Man graffiti over here. Ain't that nice? This looks the same like last year. Toilets out here and stuff.
Up in all the spring, she take my hand and claim to be her clown. You know there's only one way I'm ever gonna get a chance. Well, I don't dance, she's making me dance now. Well, she's making me.
Alright, check this out. I want to share this with y'all. Ain't that some cool piece of art? Man, this is probably gonna be my last one. Literally starting to get pretty bored out here, so I might go back, not sure, but it is pretty boring. Sorry. Man, honestly, it was time to call it a day, you know, like closing it up, because I don't like it anymore. I try to show you, but it's kind of boring. You go out, right, get in these crowds with the music and you know, the brews and the oranges and whatever, but it's getting old, you know, like every year. So, sorry, it's not a cool episode, but whatever.